Hello again, and welcome to Legit Review's review on the Seagate FreeAgent GoFlex TV media player. Now, this is Seagate's latest generation of their high-def media player. Last year, they came out with the FreeAgent Theater Plus based on the Realtek chipset, and it did really well, and it was one of our favorite players from last year. Well, recently they just introduced the GoFlex TV media player based on the GoFlex hard drive that they just came out with. So what you have right here is the GoFlex hard drive sitting to the left and the GoFlex TV media player to the right. And what you can see is that the GoFlex TV player is actually really small. So the footprint compared to last year's Theater Plus is a little bit smaller. What we wanted to do in this video was basically kind of go over some of the different features that the GoFlex TV has, and we can navigate around and see exactly how this thing looks. So the player right now is in sleep mode, but if I hit the remote button, we have the home screen for the GoFlex TV. Now, those of you familiar with any of the other media players, basically the Realtek media players, this looks almost exactly like any former Realtek player. So Seagate hasn't really done any great upgrades to the screen, but as you can see, you can navigate around no problem. And as always, we can check out our movies, our pictures, our music. We can connect to the internet. We can browse local drives. The GoFlex TV has room for 2 external USB drives, not including the GoFlex drive, which is based on a SATA drive. So let's see here. Right now we have it connected to an Ethernet to a cable modem. We were using Time Warner, so it should be pretty fast. So what I'll do is here is, as we navigate around, of course no movies currently available. Let's see. That's because we haven't actually plugged in our GoFlex hard drive yet. So what we want to do is let's go over to the, let's see here. What we'll do is we'll go over now to the GoFlex drive and we'll plug in the hard drive. So plugging in the hard drive is not very difficult at all. As you can see, all you need to do is open it up and insert the drive. Now, one thing is that people might not like is that the drive actually sticks out of the player slightly. But again, we have silent operation, very small, very portable. And when we look up here at the screen, the first thing we see is that we can see there's a hard drive icon that lights up on the third level or the third tier of this menu. And what we can do is we can either navigate down to the GoFlex drive, or we can go look at our network. We can look at the different media servers that are attached. We can see some more stuff. Let's go down here to GoFlex. It shows up as a C drive. Here's a legit folder. Movie folder. Now this drive basically plays anything that we've thrown at it, from MKVs to AVIs. It even plays DVD ISOs with menus, and also Blu-ray ISOs. Now the Blu-ray ISOs don't have menus, but if we go into here, let's see, I got Alice in Wonderland, Blu-ray ISO, and this is how fast it plays. So the response time to playing any kind of media files is incredibly quick. And again, this chip is the same exact chip from the Seagate FreeAgent Theater Plus, and so we were kind of shocked and surprised, pleasantly, of how quick this media player actually went. Now, one of the things that you might be interested in is, I know there's a whole bunch of Netflix users out there, and so if we quickly click on to our Netflix site, you can see that we can start up our trial. If we have an account, we can just go to our account right here. And again, I'm not going to really go through the Netflix demo. We actually demoed that earlier for a different player. It's the same user interface, the same GUI, and it seems to be just as quick. So if I exit and go back to the home screen, one of the things I wanted to show you was the YouTube videos. Now again, it doesn't sound very interesting or very sexy, but if you have a bunch of content on the internet, you're able to go to YouTube and really search. Either you can sign in on your account, or you can search the internet. And so what we want to do is, what I want to show you is searching the internet. So here, I just want to kind of search around for all the legit review movies or the videos that we've uploaded onto YouTube. So LEGI, got to scroll over to I, got to scroll down to T. It seems awfully, slow. One of the cool things that this player has, and what Seagate built in, it built in the ability to actually connect a USB keyboard to the player so that you can do searches a lot more easy. So as we connect our keyboard to the player, it flicks a little bit. So what we'll do is we'll go back. Now with the keyboard attached, we can do a quick search. With the keyboard attached, we can do a search for our favorite videos. So instead of hunting and pecking, we can actually type pretty quick. So I'm just going to do a search for legit reviews. And lo and behold, there's a list of legit review videos that we've uploaded over the past, forever actually. So Portal 2, Core i5, legit reviews at E3. All of our reviews come up here. And so we can easily just play any of these. Let's play the StarCraft 2 in game. Now as we play the YouTube video from the website, it's not exactly in high def. Let's see, we can actually scroll over here and select it to go into to full screen. And again, not exactly the highest def video, but the thing is, we now have our YouTube videos at the touch of a button, and really we can search on the YouTube videos or anything, Netflix included, with ease. I did just want to give you a quick example of what this player can do. We have the full review up on our website right now. If you go to www.legitreviews.com, you can see not only more about the player, but we also cracked the case open, and I'll give you a chance to see what the motherboard and the internals of the Seagate looks like. Again, thanks for watching Legit Reviews review on the Seagate FreeAgent GoFlex TV.